Mr. Cummings tells Mr. McCullough that he washed his hands, changed his clothes, washed his face, and that the gun is in the back of his truck. And he told you a different story. He said that he immediately put that gun against the porch. So again, his testimony contradicts what Mr. McCullough said. Mr. Cummings asked Mr. McCullough to be his witness that the guy attacked him. And Mr. McCullough told you, ladies and gentlemen, how could I do that? I wasn't a witness to anything like that. I wasn't there. Mr. McCullough follows Mr. Cummings back to the ranch to see if he could render any aid. But Mr. Adiola was past the point of aid. He said he was bluish or grayish. But he wanted to make sure that Mr. McCullough saw what was in Mr. Adiola's right hand. You heard Mr. McCullough say that Mr. Cummings really wanted him to see that black canister because he wanted to make sure that he had a witness that Mr. Adiola had attacked him with the black canister. Mr. Cummings was obsessed with showing everyone that Mr. Adiola had a can of poison. He needed a witness to this poison. And again, he never told anybody there was a struggle. He needed a witness to this. This was his focus. Mr. McCullough was the first person in that trailer after the homicide. He smelled nothing. No poison, no neurological agent, no mace. Mr. Cummings made this whole thing up to justify what he did. And you can see in that photo that can is facing Mr. Adiola.